Imagine this, your phone securely hanging from your wrist, ready to go wherever you do. Apple recently introduced a strap for iPhones, and now Google has jumped on the bandwagon with its own version, a simple yet functional rope wristlet designed for Pixel phones. But here's where it gets interesting. Google's new accessory isn't just for Pixels. It works with almost any phone out there. Let's break it down. The Google Rope Wristlet is a $7 accessory made from durable polyester rope, featuring the company's logo. It's designed to attach to your phone case, allowing you to dangle your device from your wrist safely and conveniently. This is especially handy if you're on the move and want quick access to your phone without fumbling through pockets or bags. The wristlet comes in 3 stylish dual-tone color combinations: blue-purple, black-gray, and green-yellow, giving users some choice to match their personal style or phone case. However, it's important to note that Google explicitly states this wristlet is not compatible with the Pixel Fold, their foldable phone model, likely due to design constraints. So, how does it attach? Instead of sticking anything directly onto your phone, the wristlet clips onto a small plate with a D-ring that fits snugly between your phone and its case. This clever design means you can use the wristlet with any phone, not just Pixels, as long as you have a compatible case. It's a simple yet effective solution that avoids potential damage or residue on your device. Google's launch of the $7 rope wristlet comes just days after Apple revealed its own crossbody strap alongside the iPhone 17 lineup. Apple's version is clearly positioned as a more premium accessory, crafted from recycled PET yarn, featuring magnetic adjustments and stainless steel hardware. In contrast, Google's offering is straightforward and minimalist, a polyester rope without the bells and whistles. This timing suggests a growing trend among smartphone manufacturers, officially endorsing and selling phone straps and danglers as part of their accessory lineup. While third-party brands have been offering similar products for years, the fact that tech giants like Apple and Google are now putting their official stamp on these accessories signals a shift in how we carry and interact with our phones. But here's the part most people miss. Are these official straps really necessary, or are they just a way for companies to capitalize on a niche market? After all, many users have managed just fine without them, relying on pockets, bags, or third-party solutions. Does the convenience and security of a wristlet justify the purchase, especially when third-party options might offer more variety or features? What do you think? Are these official phone straps a smart innovation that enhances how we use our devices, or just a trendy accessory riding the wave of smartphone fashion? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below. Do you prefer the premium feel of Apple's crossbody strap, or the simplicity and affordability of Google's rope wristlet? Or maybe you think neither is necessary at all. Let's discuss.